Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I watched the TEDx Talk Change Noram by Abiha Haider. This talk is very interesting and easy to understand. Abiha Haider talk about how people sometimes follow old ideas and rule wi- without asking question. She explained that it is important to think for or sleeves and try new ideas. Sometimes people are afraid to be different, but positive change start when someone has to courage to do something new. One lesson I learned is that we should believe in ourselves. If we work hard and stay confident, we can achieve our goals, even if other degree with us. The speaker also said that education is very important. Learning new things help us grow, understand the word better, and make good decision. Another important message was the every person unique talent and abilities. We should not be afraid to share our idea and our skills to help other. Watch the TEDx in both English. Watch the TEDx improve my understanding and listening skill. Or sleeves. Overall, I really enjoyed this TEDx talk. Is thought me to think positively, believe in myself, and never be afraid to learn sometime something new. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Allah Hafiz.